everyone, welcome back to The Budget Bartender, the channel where I give you my takes on making great tasting cocktails using bottles under $40. Today we're going to be mixing up a tropical cocktail that's a bit of a hidden gem, the Downhill Racer. If you're a fan of smooth rum, nutty amaretto, and refreshing pineapple juice, then this is the drink for you. We're going to dive into the history, the flavor profile, and of course, how to make it. So grab your shakers and let's get started. So for this cocktail, you need 1.5 ounces of rum, light or dark, your choice, ½ ounce of amaretto, and 3 ounces of pineapple juice. And for garnish, a slice of a pineapple or a cherry if you're feeling fancy. So where did the Downhill Racer come from? While there isn't a ton of documented history on the cocktail specifically, it definitely feels like a drink inspired by the tropical cocktails of the mid-20th century. Think Mai Tais, pina coladas. Amaretto wasn't always a common ingredient in these types of drinks, but it definitely adds a surprising twist that makes a Downhill Racer stand out. Now, rum is the star of this cocktail. It brings a tropical sweetness and warmth, which pairs beautifully with the pineapple juice. Depending on the type of rum you choose, you can really change up the flavors. So a light rum will give you a clean, bright tasting cocktail, while a dark rum adds depth and a touch of molasses-like richness. Today I'm going with a dark rum to really complement the other flavors. Next up is the Amaretto, an Italian liquor made from almonds or apricot pits. This gives the drink a nutty, slightly sweet kick. And it's what sets the Downhill Racer apart from other tropical cocktails. It's not just fruity, it's got this smooth, almost dessert-like undertone. And of course, there's the pineapple juice, bringing the bright, tangy, and sweet tropical vibes that really make the drink refreshing. You can use fresh pineapple juice or one like I have in a container, but both work just as fine too. So, all right, let's make this drink. First, fill your shaker with ice, and this will help chill and dilute the drink just enough to balance out the sweetness. Then we're going to add 1.5 ounces of rum. Then we're going to add 3/4 of an ounce of amaretto. And then we're going to do 3 ounces of pineapple juice. Now we're going to strain it in a chilled martini glass. So we're going to garnish with a dried pineapple and a maraschino cherry. And there you have it, the Downhill Racer. Cheers. First thing you get is the sweetness of the pineapple juice, but then the amaretto hits with that smooth, nutty flavor. And then the rum ties it all together, making this drink both refreshing and complex. It's sweet, but not too sweet, and the amaretto gives it a depth that you don't always get in a tropical cocktail. Whether you're lounging by the pool or just dreaming of your next beach vacation, this cocktail is sure to transport you somewhere sunny and relaxing. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more cocktail recipes. And let me know in the comments section what cocktails you'd like to see next. And until the next time, have a good day, everybody.